Right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah! Hi, and welcome to Cartridge Blow, where today I've got a little bit of a dirty secret. Yes, my nostril hair, I haven't done anything with it for an entire year. I've just left it to grow. It's in a right state. There's little spider legs popping out my nose everywhere. So here we have Nad's Nose Wax Kit. Nad's is an interesting name, so that's exactly where I'm not going to put it. And I'm going to use this to, well, hopefully remove those little spider legs. Right, everybody ready? Here we go. I can't hang around because apparently this has got to go in as soon as. So I'm going to give it a quick stir and check the temperature because I've just burnt my finger once already because this stuff is kind of hot. What's that like? Yeah, that's bearable. Yeah. Right, got some instructions here. Don't need them. Get rid of that down there. Here we go then. So apparently you've got to dip this in. So, twist it out, like my facial hair. Oh god, that's quite warm. Oh, it's dribbling. Oh, there we go, that's one. Do the other one at the same time. Yeah, why not? There we go. Twist it out. Watch my facial hair. Oh, what in? And we have to leave it for a minute. Go. Well, that's nice, strange. Oh, no. We've got 11 seconds. Oh, I'm struggling to breathe. Appears to be some facial hair protectors here. Yeah, too late for that now already, isn't it? Oh, yeah, it's a very strange sensation. Breathing through my mouth. And we got 40 seconds. Almost time. I look like a walrus. There we come. And stop the clock. Right then, let's go for this one first, I reckon. Right, here we go then. I had to it. Come on. Right, ready. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh my god, it was pulling my brain out. Right then. Let's do the other one. I don't want to do the other one now. Right, ready? Do it, just do it. 3, 2, 1. That hurt more. That felt like it was pulling my eyeball out of my socket. Wow. Oh my god, that is absolutely disgusting. Just have a look at that. Oh my god. How does it feel? That's quite good actually. It feels like a lot of air going in now. And there you have it. Absolutely fantastic. This stuff worked amazingly. So well, if you have a quick look, I've got some stuck on my facial hair and I can't get it off. Oh well, there's always some casualties, aren't there? Well, if you've enjoyed what you've seen, don't forget to like this video. If you really enjoyed it, please subscribe. Please, obviously, hit that bell if you subscribe. It means a lot to us. And thank you. Bye.